This is Dylan Inglet, and this is my Creative Assignment 1 video demonstration. And here we have it is my health and fitness app. And you can see in the top left hand corner we have a drawer. We click the drawer. We have three different menu navigators. We have workout routines, meal plan, and goals. So let's go to workout routines first. And right here we just have our workout routine Monday through Sunday. Let's go back and then navigate to our next option, the meal plan. And right here we just show the different meals that we're going to be eating during the week, and we use the grid view here. And let's go back and look at our goals. Right here we just have our a list of our daily goals that we're going to have during the week. And that pretty much sums up our video demonstration.